All right, everybody, what we got here now, what we're trying to do is to get the RSSI, or the Wi-Fi strengthening numbers, so that I can see what strength is my Wi-Fi whenever I move around. But obviously I cannot move around with this unless I put it on a battery. And I can do one maybe with a screen. You can put a screen on, and then with a battery. But I think with a smartphone is probably best on an IoT system. So let's see how this works. Okay, so here is the code, and let's see we need to get the IP address. This is the code. Okay, what I did on the code, I put on a secret it's got my Wi-Fi credential, and so I quote these two codes. You quote. If you don't want to use the secret file, secret codes, you use. You can unquote these. Okay, and here you can, new tab. If you want to do and type in secrets, then you got to put here include secrets.h, which is this one, and it will read your Wi-Fi credential from that file. Okay, instead of having it here that people can see. In my case, okay. So this is the code, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press the what do you call it? I'm going to press this button, okay, so that it can give me the IP addresses which I need. There we are. In this case, my one. Those are my IP addresses. And what I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to see if I can get to here. I think it's 192, 168, 0, 70. Go. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so what we got here is the signal strength. It's 56 dBm. Okay, and the light went on as I connected. Okay, so this is to show you that someone is connected on your Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can check the code and you can, change them, whatever how you like it. But I think it's this, you can check it from probably anywhere, wherever you are in the house, and yeah, or at work. And you can move it out and check the strengths of your Wi-Fi whenever you move around, just to analyze it. The only things you have to do is to, every time you update it, you have to, update it like this. You keep on pressing. It doesn't update automatically unless you call it. But it's quite strong because it's close to me. But when you move around, it'll get weaker and weaker. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.